Experience cinema-quality entertainment anywhere with the Aurzen EAZZE D1 smart projector. This isn't just a projector. It's a complete home theater system. Stream Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube directly, no extra streaming sticks needed. Enjoy autofocus, auto keystone correction, and even auto obstacle avoidance for a perfectly aligned image every time, regardless of placement. The D1 boasts stunning 1080p native resolution, enhanced by HDR10 for vibrant colors and incredible detail. Immerse yourself in rich, 3D Dolby audio sound from its powerful dual 8W speakers. With dual-band Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.1 and multiple connectivity options, HDMI, USB, headphone jack, it's compatible with virtually any device. Take movie night outdoors, host a gaming party, or use it for presentations. The versatile EAZZE D1 is ready for anything. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your viewing experience today. Visit our product page and discover the future of home entertainment.